what are some of Greco Apparel's systems for quality control?
Quality really is a question of the results of an agreement that one has with their clients and with their vendors. And for some people, you know, a $10 shirt at Walmart is certainly a quality item for the $10 they're putting out, and it may be an $85 shirt at Brooks Brothers. So you could say they're both shirts. Why is there a price difference? Well, there's a concept that was agreed upon, which was the type of fabric that was being used, the type of stitching that was being used, the type of interlining, and even down to the packaging, you know, that for retail sales. So the first part about developing and manufacturing a quality product is understanding what the purpose is of the client. There is some interaction between us, as a client may say they want something, but if we realize that what they desire is going to negatively impact the quality of the fabric, let's say the elastic is not correct, or it's a component of pocketing that is not a good quality, pocketing to hold up, we'll make those suggestions to the client. So once it is clearly understood what the end product result should be with the materials and the construction process, then you make a sample. After you make a pattern, then you make a sample to confirm, so that everybody is literally on the same page. And typically a sample process should be at least where you make 2 samples. They're both sent to the client for approval, and one is returned and tagged as approved, and the other is kept by the client for their reference. Then, when you begin the manufacturing process, you want to assure that you're receiving the proper materials that you had arranged for, which would be the color, the weight, the fiber content, that's as agreed, and that if the patterns are correct, which they should be, and that should have been demonstrated and confirmed by making the samples, and of course the grading for the size specifications, then you cut and you see that the garment is being sewn accordingly, and we are in the factories, my representatives are in a factory on a regular basis, including myself, to see that the garments are being sewn to specification and that they look appropriate, and they're clean and they're packaged accordingly, and we're following the guidelines that were predetermined in the agreement of what is an acceptable quality product.